I really miss that time when I was spending Ramadan back in Pakistan before my marriage. My mom used to make sehri naftari and all. Our siblings used to come up half asleep, have the sehri, have that musty time together, and then the iftari. But now, after coming to the UK after marriage, things have changed a lot. And they've changed for the better. I'm not complaining, let me tell you that. I'm very happy here, but the essence of Ramadan has changed a lot. Responsibilities have increased. Now I'm responsible for getting up for Sehri, for making sure that iftari is prepared on time. My husband helps me a lot. He washes all the utensils after things are done. He cleans the kitchen, so that's a big help, and I'm really thankful for that. In this video, I'm making iftaris for the next 3 days, so you will have an idea of all the recipes that you can make in your iftar as well. Today I'm making beef lasagna, and I've got this cute little chopper from Temu. Well, I ordered another one that was very famous, but it didn't work out. Probably it was because it's low quality, but thankfully this one worked really well. So it's always a hit or miss when you order from Temu. It's a Chinese website if you don't know about it. And they provide goods at a very reasonable rate, but the shipping time is a lot. But you get things, either it's good, sometimes it's low quality, sometimes it's good quality, but it's just depending on your luck. So this one, the one that did not work, was also of a lower price, so I was not that scared or that upset about it. If it would have been very expensive, oh, I would have been very sad. Right now I'm making white sauce for lasagna, and I use wheat flour. I don't use maida, I don't use corn flour because it's not good for your health, it's unhealthy. If you use it, stop using it, start using whole wheat flour, and I'm telling you the taste remains the same. The white sauce is going to be as yummy as it was with maida or corn flour. Trust me. Don't be amazed that I'm using uncooked lasagna sheets because I'm going to give you a tip. I saw this from Mariam Hossen's Instagram recipe. It's that you can make lasagna with uncooked sheets just the way you do when you boil them. And it's such a big time saver. Trust me, this has made my lasagna making so easy, and I'm so happy that I found this hack. All you have to do is make your red sauce, make your white sauce, put these uncooked lasagna sheets in between, layer them as you would do in a normal lasagna recipe, and then put it in the oven for a little more time than usual. So what I did was I put it on for 40 to 50 minutes in the oven at 200 degrees, and it was completely cooked, delicious and yummy. The layering was perfect, and it actually saved my cooking time by 50%. Yes, that's right. The layering is done. I'm going to garnish it with capsicum. You can do it with olives as well. I forgot. And now it's time to put it in the oven and let the magic happen. I've put it in the oven and I'm going to rest for a while, pray, relax before iftar because my iftar is going to be great. It's going to be cooked, and at this time I was a bit skeptical if the sheets would be cooked nicely or not because it was my first time doing it. But I will tell you, please try it out and try to make the sauce very saucy so that it has got more liquid than normal, and that will help to cook the sheets evenly. It's oven hot, it's ready to eat, and look at this beauty. Mashallah. This lasagna lasted us 2 days, and the next day it was takeaway day. Oh, I love takeaway days. We have it every Friday, regardless of having Ramadan or not, all year round. Friday or Thursday, it's our takeaway day. And I love this day especially because I don't have to cook, duh, and it's a stress free day, so I can do whatever I want to and not worry about what to cook, when to cook, things to marinate and whatnot. And normally the takeaway lasts for 2 days. And again, I have another day of relaxation. So all the ladies who are in the kitchen every day, I tell you, please order a takeaway day and don't feel guilty about it because you deserve it. So we ordered pizza, and these were loaded cheesy fries with chicken topping. Oh my god, this was so yum. Right now I have my rosa, but I was trying to smell it and it was delicious. I know we shouldn't do this in Rosa, but I was so tempted to do it. And we also ordered sweet potato fries with drink, and this was our lovely iftar. You must be wondering why we are not having iftar at our dinner table. That's because whenever we order takeaway, we do it in our lounge because we like to watch TV, we like to watch a movie when we're doing it. Right now, we've prayed Maghrib and now we're enjoying our lovely takeaway with the movie, and this is going to be a perfect weekend getaway. Enjoy your Ramadan, make lovely recipes, and pray a lot. Till then, see you in my next one. Bye.